What's up, guys? My name's Julius. Back to my channel. Today we're gonna be playing Steal a Brainrot, but I can only collect the animal Brainrots. So yes, the only thing I collect is animal Brainrots. That's the only thing I can collect. What an animal? A creature. Okay, what's an animal? Hippo's an animal. I'll take a hippo. Run, run, run. I'm so good at juking on auto accounts, but on real accounts I'm not that good. Run! Yeah, it's an animal, so I can only collect animal Brainrots. So. A bird's an animal, right? Wait, is a shark an animal? Or is it a mammal? I mean, it's a mammal. I know it's a mammal, but I'm not sure. Oh my god, this kid's base is so good. Oh god. Let me cook. It's an animal. Yes! Oh my god. Wait, people can target me. I need God to sting my life. Guys, let me know in the comments if there's an animal, if the shark's an animal. My goal is to reach to 100 million. No, actually, my goal is to reach $100 million. Whoa, okay, animal. Penguins are animals, right? Oh, steal from again. Bro, that was so easy. That was the freest steal in the whole wide world. Ryan's base. Bro, stop smacking me. Oh, what animal? Is there animals? Raccoon's animal. Go here. Come on. I'm going this way. Dude, that was actually insane. That was the freest steal in the whole wide world. Bro, I don't know how I got that. Wait, is that an animal? Does that count? It's a seal, it's an animal. Is it an animal? Yeah, my goal is to reach $1 billion, actually. Get out of here, brokey. What's up with you? Get off. Lock his base. Locked, idiot. Wait, is this the guy I stolen from? Alright, time to get animals. Sharks are animals, so yeah. Okay, I need some speed coil. Okay, let me start playing around. Okay. Slap hand, I'll take that. That. Trap. I'll buy a trap, actually. Bro, this girl's literally waiting on my thing, bro. You think I'm dumb? You think I'm fall for that? Bro, she really thinks I'm gonna fall for that. Alright, I need to guard the most important brain now. So I'm gonna set up a trap here. Ooh. I don't want to fish right now. Because I'm afraid I might not get an animal. So that's my point. My goal is to reach $1 billion. Come on. Let's go. I'm not gonna Really? Bro. Stop! Alright, oh my god, this guy's stacked! Oh my god, wait, what is this? Yo, no way! Timmy boy? Okay, I'm stealing from you, Timmy boy. 100. Oh my god, I forgot about the big timer. Baddie's base? Oh, I'm gonna ruin her whole career. Dang it! What's my base unlock? Am I good? 20 seconds. Oh my god, I need guard. Get out! Oh, that's the guy I stole from Ryan. My goal is to reach $1 billion. Alright, let me sell. No, I'm not gonna sell anything. Back up, buddy. I put one in the trap there. Trap right there on the brain. Yeah, put a trap there. Ah, idiot. Let me steal this one. I might have bad internet connection, but I can do this. Oh my god! She's such an idiot! Why would she do that? She is so dumb. No. She is actually so dumb. I never seen someone like an idiot like that. Should I get that? Nah, I don't want to bug anyone because I don't want to become a target. I'm just gonna mind my own business. Okay. I should set up more traps to get it. Yeah. Dude, guys, I am actually cooking. Yeah, the reason why I have no sound effect on is because so y'all can hear me better. Stuff like that. Okay. Let me see. No. Yeah, spam it. My best Brainrots. Alright, so I'm gonna set up some traps. Bro, they're guarding my base now. Get the other kid's base. Also, I can lead those kind of good, so these traps here in a place where the money is, so good. Bro, get out. 3 seconds. Okay, I'm good. Should I grief him? No, I'm not gonna grief him. I feel bad for stealing his other Brainrots. Oh, he got griefed. Baddie's base. Let me see. Oh, yep. No! Reset. Whew. I'm good. Go. Bro, I need 1 billion. Come on. A 10th there. No, I don't want to rebirth right now. Bro, that girl's actually an idiot. Like, honestly, the girl's actually an idiot. Like, why would she leave her base like that open? Ooh, Baddie's base. I'm sorry, Baddie. Okay, I'm not gonna say it. I'm gonna say... Oh, my game's so laggy. I'm gonna reset. Oh, that guy's targeting her. Alright, I'm good. Bro, get out! Take that. Get your own Brainrot. I'm gonna slap you in the face. Here, take that. I got the most slaps from you. Get out. Take that. Right hook to the face. Bang. Okay, let me stop messing around. I need $1 billion. Come on. So close. Okay, 18 seconds. Should I risk it for the biscuit to steal Baddie's Brainrots? Oh, I should have done it. Is she following me? Probably know who I am. Bro, yeah, there's a 15 limit timer that like I need 15 minutes, so yeah, so I'm trying to reach 1 billion. So I have like 7 minutes left, I think. Another idiot again? No, it's gonna be free. Go! Yes! Yeah, this is only animals. These are animals. Cacto hippopotamo. Guys, let me know in the comments if these are animals, because I don't really know about animals. I just know, but I don't really like look at them. I don't really like study them. Yeah, let me know if these are animals, just to check. Yeah, raccoons are animals. Sharks are animals, right? Wait, are sharks animals? Wait, actually, guys, wait. Let me know in the comments. Are sharks animals? Because I don't really know. I mean, I like sharks, but like, Timmy boy sup. Speed coil. I don't want a rebirth. Oh, who is this? Yo! He's an idiot. Okay, he's an idiot. Idiotic person I ever see. Don't worry, got this. Reset it. I'm gonna steal from again. Bro, come on. $1 billion will be good. And by the way, I can't rebirth, so I need a multiplier. Come on. Come on. Dude, I'm 1/8 the way there. Okay, get out. You know what? I'm actually gonna try my luck. I'm gonna try fishing. Hold on. I need $1 billion. Come on. Bro, I need to steal that kid's thing. No way. Go. Bro, get out. Yeah. We just try to steal. Wait, this is the kid I stole it from. Yeah, get out, idiot. Yeah. Is that Ryan? I'm griefing you, buddy. But why am I game laggy? And reset. Buddy, you think this is gonna be free? This ain't gonna be free. Bro, get out. Broke kid, yeah. Follow my trap. Get that. I'm spank you. The girl needs to get out too. Y'all annoying. Get out. What if I just hit him? I'm just gonna spam hits on him. Wait, is he trying to get revenge on me? Because I was the one that stole his Brainrot. Bro, chill! Nah, you ain't getting that. Hi, idiot. Lock base. Bum. That's something good stealing. Okay, what can I steal? Ooh, Bombini. I'll take it. Bombini. Go, 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 go. Wait, is someone griefing him? Bro, I need a billion. Bro, I'm just gonna be really annoying. You know what? I need to protect my base. Bro, I have like 3 minutes. Come on, I need a billion. Buddy, get out. Yeah, take that. I'm gonna beat you up. Spam hits. Yeah, get out, Ryan. The girl's over there too. You get out too. I see you. Oh my god, this is so hard. These are trash Brainrots, but I like these Brainrots. To protect them with my life. Bro, stop. Stupid kid, get out. Buddy, get out. I know you like these Brainrots, but no. Haha. She tried to get in. She tried to get in. Bro, this kid's relentless. Stop. I'm gonna say you suck. What if I say that? You suck. We'll just keep hitting him. Hey, get out, buddy. Yeah, just get out, dude. Yeah, we're just gonna collect my money. Should I leave the game? Leave. Oh, left the game. Okay, I'm good. Ryan tried to get. Alright, I'll be right back. Hold on, I'm gonna join a different lobby. Guys, join a different server for like a minute or two. I don't know. Bro, people are steal. No. Please, someone else better than me spawn. Bro, come on, I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. We joined. Whew, kid. Relentless. Bro, I don't want a new beanie. Bro, am I gonna fail? Should I go after her base? Please, low circuit. No! Freaking girl. Stupid girl. Bro, is she helping? Oh my god, she's gonna grief me now. Strikes an animal. No. What can I get? Crabs are animals! Crabs are animals. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, I have a minute left. I think. I have a minute left. Yeah, I just checked, guys. I have a minute. No. Come on. Come on. Brody, one more brain. I do have a minute left. I can get that, but I can't. No. Come on. Unlock. This will really help. Be right back, guys. Get back. Bro, who griefed me? Dude, that dumb girl. Guys, I think I failed the challenge. Let's try to reach 1 billion. No. And thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe. Bye. Peace.